If you're a fan of charcuterie boards, you're going to love this antipasto salad. It is super simple to make and perfect for any occasion. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making a quick and easy antipasto salad. It's very popular in Italian restaurants, and it comes from an antipasto platter, which is basically what we're making here, but we're putting it on a bed of lettuce and calling it a salad. So to make our antipasto salad, we're going to first whisk together a balsamic vinaigrette. And if you have a favorite vinaigrette that you like to use, that works really well in the salad as well. So I have some balsamic vinegar, and I'm just gonna add some to a bowl. And this one is actually flavored. So it's a fig balsamic vinegar, which is really flavorful and has a little sweet note to it. It's so good. And then we're gonna add some salt and pepper, garlic powder and Italian seasoning, and some Dijon mustard. And I like to use a whisk for this. If you don't have a whisk and you have a hand mixer, this whisk attachment is from a hand mixer and it works out just fine. No unitaskers. And some chopped shallots. If you're not a fan of shallots, you can leave that out. And then we're gonna whisk everything together while we're streaming in some olive oil, and you're just gonna whisk it until everything is thick and you have a nice dressing consistency. And you don't want any olive oil sitting on top, so you wanna whisk this together until it's nice and thick and kind of creamy. So this dressing is thicker in consistency than like a bottled vinaigrette, and that's kind of why I love it. You can see it's like really thick, so we'll just add a little bit more olive oil until it's the consistency that you like. Okay, so we're gonna set this aside and assemble our salad. So to start the salad, we're just gonna add some spring mix. And I have some spring mix that has spinach in it. I just like the extra flavor of the spinach. And you're really just creating art here. So think of like a charcuterie board, but as a salad. So we're just gonna add some pepperoni. And I diced it into bite-sized pieces. So when you serve this, nobody has to worry about like getting big pieces of meat in their mouth. You can just take a big bite. And I also have some salami, also cut the same way in bite-sized pieces. And you can use basically any kind of meats and cheese that you like. This is just kind of what we prefer for our antipasto. I have some mozzarella balls, and I have some sharp provolone and some Parmesan. And sometimes if I have a platter that seems to be getting overflowing with everything, I'll just set some of the ingredients aside. And then if you're serving this for a dinner party, you can actually just have some extra ingredients to replenish your platter. And then I also have some of these pepperoncini peppers, which I love. They're always great on a salad. And some roasted red peppers. I bought the strips. I didn't make these myself, although they're really easy to make, but you can get them at the store in a jar. They add so much flavor to salads. Marinated artichoke hearts, so good. Great by themselves, but even better on the salad. And if there's anything that you don't like that I'm saying, put this on your salad, you simply leave it off. It's not a big deal, it's your salad. You can totally make it any way you like. Next, I have some Kalamata olives, and I have regular Spanish olives. And tomatoes. And as you can see, you can barely see the lettuce. Now that's my kind of salad for sure. It's a cornucopia of flavor on this platter. And then I just have some thinly sliced red onion, and you don't have to use all of it. I usually just like scatter it about. And last but not least, we have the shaved Parmesan, or you can use grated Parmesan cheese, and I just sprinkle it all over the top. Doesn't that look amazing? So much flavor in this salad. It's like a main course salad, basically. And then last but really not least, is some Italian seasoning. And you can salt and pepper this as well, but there's a lot of sodium in some of the ingredients that we're using, the meat and the cheese and the olives, so I don't feel like it really needs salt and pepper, but I like to sprinkle with the Italian herbs just to give it some flavor. And then we have the dressing. So, drizzle some of this on top. And that's it. There is your antipasto salad. It is all ready to go for any guests that you have, but I have no guests. It's just me, so I'm going to eat this all by myself. And I will start with this piece of cheese. As the dressing and some cheese and some of the herbs. That dressing is absolutely perfect. I cannot wait to devour this for dinner. If you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.